बराह रास्त इस वक्त आपको लिए चलेंगे। अमन मश्क का आज आखिरी रोज है, ऐसे में बांग्लादेश के नेवल चीफ एडमिरल नजमुल हसन खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Resolution of our maritime boundary disputes with our eastern neighbor in 2012 and the western neighbor in 2014 respectively. Our active role in the regional maritime constructs include participation in the IORA, the Western Pacific Naval Symposium, and of course the IONS. And Bangladesh was the chair of Indian Ocean Naval Symposium in the year 2017 and 18, where we arranged for the first time a maritime search and rescue exercise in the name IMSAREX. Our efforts to combat maritime crimes through strict enforcement against illegal fishing, piracy, smuggling, and all other illicit activities at sea in the Bay of Bengal continues day in, day out. In addition, the Bangladesh Navy has taken proactive measures to enhance regional maritime security through joint patrols, information sharing networks, and participation in multilateral initiatives like here in Amman, the Lima in Malaysia, the Indo-Pacific Conference in Australia, and the International Seapower Symposium in the USA on a regular basis. I shall now quickly touch upon the innovation in maritime security and the role of technology. Although I am not an expert in it, however, as we navigate the complex landscape of modern maritime security, we must recognize the transformative role of technology and innovation in strengthening the rule of law at sea. The integration of AI-driven surveillance systems, satellite monitoring, and unmanned maritime systems have enhanced real-time situational awareness, allowing for swift response to threats such as piracy and illegal activities. But as one of the speakers very rightly mentioned, there is a need for legal harmonization between these modern technologies and our legal regimes. Cybersecurity in the maritime operations is an order of the day with the increasing digitalization of naval operations. And that is why we need to put our focus on cyber security as a whole in order to protect our ports, ships, naval systems, and maritime communication networks. Smart and autonomous vessels and drones, the use of it is becoming more and more frequent among nations. And it is revolutionizing the maritime surveillance, making law enforcement operations more efficient and effective. As such, as nations, we must invest in research and indulge into joint collaboration with like-minded countries, and also ensure training for our human resources, because end of the day, it's always men or women behind the machine that is important. Technology, when aligned with legal frameworks and international cooperation, can fortify maritime security and uphold the rule of law in our seas and oceans. Let us now
बांग्लादेश के नेवल चीफ एडमिरल इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।